Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. We waited for you. We wait for you like for half 20 minutes almost. No, not now. At 3:30. Okay, then we change the timing. I'll share my screen. Okay. Mm, no issue. You see my screen, right? So, what is today's KT plan? Let me check. You have any doubt for yesterday's like KT? Mm, okay, bro. No issue. Uh, okay, these two are complete. First, I will go for monitoring issue, authorization issue. Then we will go for CR process. Okay. Simply CR,
Yeah.
I already told you simple CR. So because these two are very like it will take less time. These two. After that, I will go for this one. So regarding authorization issues, uh, means mainly we get the authorization issues related to like some user is executing the transaction and means he is not authorized. Okay, so some of these type of issues we used to encounter, or sometimes request we used to get like user want to create a new role or want some modification in the already existing roles. Okay, so such type of issues we used to get. Okay, so there is one particular transaction is there. I will tell you two transactions which are very important. First, if you means suppose I want to check if I have authorization of any transaction or not. First, I will execute the transaction slash and suppose slash and MB23N. Okay, suppose I will get the error right now. No, suppose yeah slash and SE38. Okay, this is the transaction. When I execute this transaction, I get this error message. You are not authorized to use transaction SE38, right?
Yeah.
Most of the time, business also used to get this type of error message. Okay. Then what we have to do, we have to tell the business like just execute this particular transaction that whatever this he is not able to execute. Okay, SE38 for example. Then in the same screen, I execute the transaction slash in SU53. Okay. Then he will get this particular screen what authorization this object is like is required, which field is required, which transaction is required. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to create one particular incident for authorization team. Okay, we have to request authorization team that this particular user is unable to create any particular transaction, means execute this transaction. Okay, so what rules are required, then we will means after means authorization team will reply yes, that particular role is required, then we have to inform the user that please apply for that particular role. Okay, in CIDM. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to give the screenshot. So how we create the incident for the authorization team? Main question yesterday I was telling you na. I will tell you some shortcuts how to create the incidents. Okay. One way is like go to Snow here. Okay, and create in a traditional way like this. Okay. Go to incident, create incident, something else here. Where is incident? Incident. If I want to create an incident, NCDFG incident is there.
Mm,
NCID. Yeah. See here. Create incident. Create incident is there. Create incident. Create incident. Create incident. Major incident. Yeah. Create incident. So it is traditional way, like create a new incident. Okay. Create just means click on it, and you have to enter all these these things, assignment group and other things. Okay. Now second way is this shortcut. Go to this bookmark links. Okay, this is this particular link is to create incident for authorization team. Just put your user ID and password, enter it, you will get this screen. Okay, in this screen put your system ID, like X30 in our case. This P30 system is there, so it is called X30 standard request. So what we have to put means which type of request we are putting. Suppose we are like authorization issue investigation, okay? Because the user don't have means access of this particular authorization of this transaction. So this particular authorization investigation, we have to put this P30 description P30 D2 as user RN24 don't or meaning we can put please provide the rules. Please provide rules with below details. Okay, in attachment. Like this something. Okay, just tell dear team below user is unable to execute this particular transaction. Okay, blah blah blah. We'll just put it. Okay, and attachment we can use the attachment. We can just simply take the screenshot from here. Okay, where is this here? This we can simply take the screenshot, print screen, take the screenshot, save it somewhere else. Okay, and just we can put it in attachment. This thing, yeah, just cancel it. We can put in attachment impact. What would be the impact? Standard or low? Okay, depends, and then send it. Okay, click on the send. Your incident will be created. That's it. So it is a like shortcut way to create an incident. No, not to transfer. Create a new incident. Don't transfer your don't. Just bookmark it. Okay, this type of links will be useful for you. Then other bookmark is create incident for TIBCO, similar type. Okay, this is a TIBCO link. Okay, similar way like TIBCO, go to TIBCO. Okay, form like TIBCO support is required, any incident is required, or reprocess anything. So mostly we create the incident. Okay, then enter if you have to reprocess this particular e-track or something else. Put description. Region is EMEA. Okay, region is EMEA, and service is a forward. Okay, service is forward. Impact is standard or low, whatever it is. Okay, urgency is also depends if high, standard, low. Okay, and then send it. It will create a new SR or incident, something else. Okay, for TIBCO, it is also shortcut. You can bookmark it also. We got it now, bro? So in this way, you can create an incident and SR for authorization team and this particular what is it? Authorization team and TIBCO team. Okay. Yeah, most of the all the authorization requests will be given to us with ServiceNow incident. Okay. See, earlier what was happening? Earlier, whenever the incident used to come to us related to authorization, okay, so we create a new incident for authorization team. But now what we are doing, we simply change the assignment group in our ticket and assign that same incident to the authorization team. Okay. If any user is creating us the incident, like he's unable to execute the transaction, then it is not related to us. It is related to authorization team. Okay. So we can simply assign them. Okay, that particular authorization team. Okay. Now this thing authorization we can see like this. Okay, there's one particular transaction is also there. Suppose from your side, suppose it is a work of authorization team. Okay, but you want to check it from your side also. Okay, it's not necessary. You can create incident and give this thing to them. They will investigate. Suppose you want to see what roles are required for this SE38 transaction. So there is one particular transaction is there, /SUIM. Okay, remember this transaction. SEIM. Okay. Go to this. If you want to see what roles are required, roles, then roles by complex criteria. Okay. And transaction assigned to the menu, because I have transaction only. Transaction code SA38. Okay. And execute it. What all rows where this particular transaction is there, na, the whole list will come. You can see.
Yeah.
But you can't identify like user is required which roles. Okay. So it's like initial investigation from your side. It's not like you can tell user that okay, you have to use this particular role or this particular role. You can't say. It's all depends upon authorization team. Okay. But from initial side, if you want to investigate, you can execute this particular transaction SUIM and check it. Okay. I will. And suppose if some authorization object is missing, okay, in a particular role, there are many issues where user want requirement is there, where user want to add particular authorization group, okay, in a role. So there is one particular transaction is there where you have to investigate from your side, okay. So /n PFCG particular transaction is there. Go to this particular transaction, enter this particular role, and display display it. Okay, this will come. Go to authorization. Okay, display authorization data. Okay, you will get it. Understood now? So what all authorization, like suppose this particular sales organization. Okay, this is sales. Should I give you this particular master data? Suppose. Okay, this is master data related. So open it. What all company codes are there? Okay, star means all the company. It is allowed for all the company codes, object, field names. Okay, so this thing you can identify. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Your roles. Okay. I want to show you one particular thing. Roles actually this roles has two things like this. You can see now this J is written. This J includes two roles, means one FE and VE. Okay, FE means one is single role, other is complex role. Okay, in roles also, I will show you this particular. I will get one particular role for you. Get one particular role. Suppose roles. Oh yeah, sorry. Rules, Yana. Yana. See, I have one requirement is there. I will show you. This particular SR is there. Here is a request for new roles. Okay, for the Ukraine plant. But right now there is war is going on in Ukraine. So is it told like some information is required from my side, like what is the transaction should be accessed. Okay, and company codes, all these things information is required from the user. Okay, so I ask him, this particular user, what is the role name, role description, role owner, deputy, business areas, okay, and all these details, organizational elements. I ask that particular user. Okay, but is it told like right now she can't reply because some war is going on, so she can't reply me. So means I have to wait for them, and I can give you one particular example. Suppose this is the role, okay. Control A. Or what yaar? EU. Which role I should give yaar? The particular role should be there. Let me check my previous SARS incidents, anything else. Give me 1 minute. Just give me recently, yaar. Actually, I have to go inside my CRs. It will take time. Suppose yeah, VUGFE. J. J is there. Okay, let me check my recent previous years only. Incidents, post incidents. Okay, sorry. Closed. Here, if I will go for particular role issues, these are the CRs. Connection between separate roles. Okay, and role is there. This is the outstanding. EUG. Okay, no, not true. This one is not required. Okay, let me check if it will work. UJ rules. See, a role like suppose you get a role, okay. So you have to first check this particular letter J. Okay. So if J is there, it means that particular role consists of two parts, FE and VE. Okay. FE is the complex single. FE is a single role and V is the complex role. Okay. So both have different work. I'm not like exactly remember what is the means different work, but suppose if I open this particular one, okay. See, this is FE. Okay. Here some controlling authorizations are given, like controlling and classification, other things, but it is inactive right now in this rule. Okay. And second one is V. V related to transactions. Okay. If I go to V, if you have to maintain some transaction in a role, we used to go for V. Here you can see material master. Okay. So if any company code, any transaction is required or any authorization group is required, then we used to go for V. Okay. So just you have to keep it remember, if user is asking for a creation of the roles, okay. So first we have to ask all these details, okay, from the users, which I mentioned in this mail. Okay. You can simply ask me or other person also. You can just ask the user if these details are there or not. Okay, after getting these details, you have to create a normal CR. Okay, you have to create a normal CR for the authorization team. Okay, and then they will create the rules. Okay, from your side, you have to create a document, URS or SysID, sys document. Okay, you will learn how to create it with Viva portal. So you have to create a new document from your side, and you have to test it in production, in like development test, and this development and test system. Okay, so I am telling you this thing because if some role is created, okay, by the user, means by the authorization team, then first you have to check whatever this transaction which user mentioned is there or not. Okay, you have to check like this only, like in PFCG transaction. This is the PFCG transaction. Just put this particular role which was created. Go to display. Okay. In display mode, go to the roles. Okay. In roles, you will find FENVE part of the role. Okay. Just click one by one and check if transaction and other authorization things are maintained in this particular roles or not. Okay. From your side. Okay. You can check it here. Or you can check in second part also these two things. Okay, and after checking this, you can just execute the transaction whatever the transactions are required by the user. Suppose user want a role with mm02 transaction. Okay, for plant 2670, suppose. Okay, so authorization team will maintain it. You have to check, means initially in this authorization part, and then you have to execute. You have to ask authorization team to provide your test user ID with particular role. Okay, and then you have to log in with this particular test user ID in your system, and then execute that particular transaction. Understood? Am I
Yeah.
clear, right? So this is like a way to like check any role issue or like creation of the new roles. Okay, in this way, like it's a little bit tough part because after you will do it now, you will learn it. I just initially told you. So role little issues you can handle like this. Okay, here you can see I asked the details from the user.
Nilesh,
Yeah.
yeah, this Snow and Tipco is all the same kind of thing tools, is it, for raising the incident?
It's not TIPCO. TIPCO is interface, bro.
Uh-huh.
Snow is like creation of the incident, or you can track your incident. Okay, it's like
Okay.
dashboard type. This is Snow portal. Okay,
Okay.
here I can see my incidents, past incidents which I have solved. Okay, I can create a
Okay.
new incident. I can check whatever the incidents are assigned to me. Okay, in dashboard.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's
Okay.
like a portal to check your incident, to monitor your incidents. Okay, TIPCO is
Okay.
entirely
Okay.
different thing. TIPCO is the interface. Don't be
Okay.
confused with these two things. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. You have any doubt, Nandan?
The third part system.
Yeah, bro. No, we connect to authorization team by creating the incident. Okay. Uh, in service now only. We can create the incident in service now also. Or the link I provided now in morning I show you that particular link. So at that way also, if you will create the incident now, similar type of incident will be appear like here. Okay. When you create like this now, automatically this authorization group and all these things will be filled. Okay, otherwise if you will go for service now, you have to search for authorized, means which assignment group we have to put. The assignment group thing is there now. So main headache is this assignment group. Okay, so so right. So understood now? You have any doubt, anything like?
Yeah. No, no, I don't have anything.
Huh. Okay. Let me know, yeah. Whenever you have doubt, na, in middle of this,
Yeah, yeah.
we'll tell you. Okay. So authorization issue is completed. Okay. Any doubt is there? This much is the authorization issue. Okay. Means most of the
Okay.
time we have to create incident for authorization team. But initially, if you want, you can investigate with few transaction. I told. Okay. That few transaction SU53 or SUIM and PFCG. Okay. This. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, exactly. Hmm. Hmm. Ha, not test system and production. Both. Okay. So this much is the authorization issue. Okay. Understood now? Hmm. So it's completed. Okay. Now interface issue. Okay. Interface issues, yeah, usually we face issues like TIPCO related. I told you, na, if some e-text got stuck in between, we have to create an incident for the TIPCO team that please reprocess that e-track. Then that particular e-track will be reprocessed by TIPCO team. Okay, and that particular whatever the work of that e-track, whether to update the batch characteristics or anything else. Okay, then it will update it. Okay, so TIPCO related issues are there, and there is one particular suppose you have any issues. Okay, and you have to check if this particular incident is related to some interface related issues. Okay, so there is one particular list is there. I will share you forward. Yeah. Okay. Initially, you will get confused. After that, you will use to it. Okay. Uh, the interface, Nilesh. 1 second. TIPCO is a part of like it's only one like interface thing. Okay. Uh, there are multiple interfaces like INT interface. Now I will tell you. Okay. Find out. Mm, interface list. These are the interface related to us. Like this list contains whatever the interface is there. Just give me a second. These are the interfaces. Okay. So whatever, whenever there is an interface issue, okay, we have to raise an incident for integration team. Okay. Hello. Yeah, whenever there is, you will find out that there is some interface issue is there, and because of this system is not working properly, or some job is getting failed, or some job means batch issue is there, some material master issue is there. Okay, or you have to investigate anything else. You have to create an incident for the integration team, requesting them to create an incident for the basis team. Okay, you can't directly create an incident for the basis team. Okay, you have to just create an incident for the integration team. I will tell you, I will give you one link. Okay. Just save these links which I'm providing you now. Because otherwise you will face issues. Integration, incidents. Okay. This is for incidents. You have to create for and this one is SR. Okay. Whenever you have to create an incident for this, I have what is this? Okay, sorry. Text, yeah, it is not like it's text only. With this particular link only, you can create an incident and SRs. Okay. above one. It can be used for both incident and answer. Naman is there, na?
Yeah.
Okay. So with this link, you can simply click on it and system name X30. Okay. Request type you have to like put whatever the issue, like RFC connection issue is there. If or maintain RFC connection, then put it like this. Put the description. Okay. Related incident you have to put. Okay. Impact, standard, high, urgency, and just send it or attach the file and send it. Okay. And request them kindly create an incident for the basis team. Okay. Then they will create it. Okay. For the interface issues. Understood? Anything? If you want to check interfaces from your side, okay, which interface stopped working, okay, there's one transaction is there, /ys30 underscore IMP, okay. This transaction is there. I will ping you for this particular transaction. All the interfaces are there, okay, which are related to P30. Just whatever interface, if you know the interface, which interface is getting failed, okay. Suppose this particular interface is getting failed, it's red, okay. Just click on it. You can see these red things, okay. Just click on it again. You will find out what is the issue, okay. RFC destination, what is the RFC destination, anything else, IDOC files, which IDOC is related to the particular failed interface, okay. You will get it. Understood, right? So I will ping you this particular transaction also. You can understand me, right? An issue is there.
Yeah.
Okay. So interface issues like this only, bro. Interface, there are few interfaces like interface TIBCO is there. Melody is there. Okay. Melody is not an interface. Melody is not an interface. Okay. So TIBCO is there. Okay. From TIBCO side only face issues. Okay. No. TIBCO, I told you, it's a connecting tool. Okay, it transfer data. It's an interface. Okay, you can't like they are solving data means creating an incident for base system anything else. Basis is different. Okay, basis is totally different thing. It is a different. Okay, TIBCO is a different team. Integration and basis is a different thing. Okay. What is TIBCO? TIBCO means whenever you do any changes in your system, okay, and that data to be sent to any third-party system like 3PL or some which Planzer system, okay. So if data to be sent to Planzer system, how it will go? It will go through TIBCO only, okay. Suppose two containers are there, okay. Water is getting filled in one container. You have to transfer the quantity into other container, okay. You have to transfer that through a pipe, right? TIBCO is that pipe only. Okay, it's nothing else. Like so, many times some issues are coming, like in water getting blocked, means data getting blocked in that pipe only. Okay. So you have to reprocess that. We have to unblock means what is the issue, what issue is coming, and then you have to remove that thing, means solve that particular issue, and then reprocess this particular e-tracks. Means mainly TIBCO team will only reprocess the e-tracks. They will check it. They will reprocess the e-tracks, and this data will get updated in our system, or data will go to the third-party system. Okay. So it is different thing. Integration team do like some other interfaces are there, like these interfaces you can see now in my screen. Where is this? Where is interfaces here? Yeah, this interfaces now. You can see. So these interfaces comes under the scope of TIBCO, means basis team. Okay. Some issue is if some issue is coming, then we have to directly contact to basis team that okay, this issue is coming. Means how we will contact, we have to create an incident for the integration team and requested them to create an incident for the basis team. Okay, then they will create an incident. We can't directly create an incident for the basis team. Okay, this thing. So by this way, we can simply create an incident and they will check it, they will analyze it, they will tell, okay, this is the issue. They will do whatever they have to do from their side, and then they will tell that the issue is resolved and we have to close it. Okay, simply. So interface issues are like this only, bro. Nothing else. Anything? Any question?
No, no.
You understood now, yeah? I'm not a that was good. Okay. Hmm. 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 So it's like I'm showing the overview. Like it's not like whenever you start working now, slowly you will understand it how to do it. Okay, it's not like
Yeah.
not a big deal. Like it will take time. Honestly speaking, it will take time. So now main part is CR process. Okay, main thing
Mm.
CR process. So yesterday I told you there are two type of CRs, okay, standard and normal. Standard is for bug fix or some small changes are required, okay, like we have to change the description in a plant, or we have to add and create a new plant, okay, means add a new plant in OX10 or something else, okay. Then standard is required. What is normal? Normal is entirely a new enhancement, okay. Suppose creation of a new role, okay. I told you na that one.
Yeah. Particular field in a report.
Particular field in a report, okay. Creation of entirely new report is there, okay.
Mm.
It's a new program that requires normal CR, okay. So in the CR template, there is a time period for this. I mean, this SLA, like you have 90 days to complete all the CRs. Okay, I will show you one CR. What is the CR? Who is checking my incidents? Sure. I will show you one normal CR and hmm. But while creating it also, na, you require our help initially. Okay, one or two times you require our help. Whenever you are creating it, na, just ask Radhika, me, or Balaji, whoever is free. Okay, ask like how to create it. So okay, suppose. Hmm. Mm, it is standard. Yeah, flexible material master update transaction code. Okay, this is standard CR. Okay, so here user wanted few configuration changes in this particular report. Okay, slash and this SAP LOM whatever it is pop up. Okay, so want to add a few fields in this particular transaction. Okay, so user gave me all the like steps in his like attachment and told me like just follow those steps and you will upgrade means update this particular report or whatever it is configuration. Okay, so what I done, I created this SR for this, okay, and then CR. This is standard CR. Standard CR, what we'll do, I will show you how to create a standard CR. Well, first I will show you here only. Here, this requester name, Sandra, category transport migration, okay. Whenever you start creating CR now, just take any one CR, standard CR created by our team member, okay, created CR, and you can just copy paste all these details, categories, service, okay, configuration items, okay. These are common. Assignment group, because you are working on it. Okay, assigned to you. Template name. Yesterday I show you the template thing. Yeah. So from there you can copy paste the template and just you can create your CR. Okay. Then this is the like format. Please keep it in mind. Never change this. Otherwise you will get like rejected. Your CR will get rejected. This thing 2022 Q1 P30 D2S. Okay. Q1 means quarter. Whatever quarter you are creating. After March you are creating means January, February, March is one quarter, and after March is the second quarter. So it will become second quarter. Okay, Q2. Okay, 2022 is the year. P30 is our system. Okay, if we're creating for P30 system or the G30, mainly we used to keep P30 only. D2S is our group. Power D2S, demand to supply. Okay, so this thing is common. Okay, rest your title, your type. Okay, business requirement. What is the requirement of the business? Okay, solution part. Okay, how you are going to fix it. Okay, then change board reference. Usually CR requires Jira ticket. Jira, you know na? Jira. Jira tool. So usually user will do, user will create a Jira. Okay, for this requirement. Then automatically SR will be created for us. Okay, automatically it will create after one means same day or after one day. Okay, that Jira will be, this SR will be created for us. Okay, so we will enter the particular SR number here, parent. Okay, and Jira number we will put here, ATSAIR 2769. Okay, business area, business requesting area, business. Okay, this is NA. Every time this will be NA, discrepancy reference. Okay, benefit. What will be benefit of implementing this change? Okay, just make something else like it will do this thing, that thing. Okay. Impact, if change is not working, then if change is not implemented, what will be the issue? Okay, tell them that if change is not working, then additional MRP field will not be updated with required field in the transaction code. Okay, something else like what will be the issue? Okay, then after that, this transport details, this keep you empty. Okay, this thing you have to keep it empty. Okay, right now, after you will do the changes now. After you have to fill this thing, TR name and TR type customization. Okay, initially you have to keep it empty. Then this format you have to just copy paste and change things like regional EMEA. Okay, and suppose you are doing changes for a material master, then put it like business process material master, or you are doing changes for some like quality team. Okay, process order, so maintain process order. Okay, something else, training is not required for this change request. Okay, training is mainly required when you are creating a new rules. Okay, then URS ID, these things are important. Okay, URS ID and URS system document. Okay, this thing I will tell you. This thing you have to keep it like as it is. Okay, don't worry, just copy paste few things. Like now here you will find out system design documents, URS specification ID, URS specification document, functional specification, and technical design specifications. Okay, these three things, whenever you are doing any changes now, these three things are mandatory. Okay, you have to put it in your CR, whether it is normal CR or standard CR, you have to put these things in your CR. Okay, now means now it's your work, like how you'll find out. Okay, so suppose this is the transaction. Okay, transaction code is this one. I will copy paste this thing. You have to find out, like you have to search yourself these things. Okay, go to Condor portal. Okay, star, paste, remove this slash n means changing a new. Okay, remove this slash n, extend search document content, and execute it. See, one document found. Okay, you got this document, right?
Yeah.
Open this particular document. So it is a technical document. Okay. So technical document, we want three documents: URS, system document, and technical document. One document you got it. Okay.
Hmm.
Now remaining two documents are required. Go below last of this document. Okay. Last of this document. See, associated document, URS and system document. You can see.
Yeah.
Okay. So you will get these three documents. Okay. Just put these three documents here. This is the way you have to do it. Okay. So URS document you can put. URS is not like no update is required because like you are just updating some, customizing some, means adding some fields there. Okay. You have to check in system document. TDS is also update is not required because you are not doing any code changes. Okay. It's a customization. Na? So you are not doing any code changes. For system document, you have to just check it if any changes are required in system document. Okay. So you can just put it like this, enter the system document, execute it. See, if you open this particular system document, no, you can just put its transaction code first to check if you have to update it or not. Because you have to read this whole document. Okay. Whenever you are doing the changes now, you have to read the document, whole document, and you have to like take decision for yourself if you have to update it or not. Okay. Control F. Put this transaction code. So it will show me whatever the fields are there. See here, the configuration of this dialog box has been using this code. Okay, so I will read this part, whole part. Okay, and I will check if this particular whatever the field I am adding, okay, whether it should be updated in this document or not. Okay, this way we have to like enter, and here if it is required, this updation is required, we can simply put update. Here it is written no update. We will remove this. We will keep it update. Okay, and after that document update is required. Okay, and second thing you told me, you asked me this particular URS ID from where URS IDs came. Okay. You have to like it's like I gave you one example only, bro. Like it's not like you have to copy paste that particular T code and just check it. Okay. uh, hmm. हाँ 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 hmm. We have to like we have to search this document. First, main thing is searching the documents, TDS, URS, and system document. Okay, and after you will get the document, your main work is like whether to where updation of the document is required or not. Okay, URS updation is never required until unless you are creating a new role. Okay, TDS document is required when code changes are required means there means it comes under the scope of a web team. Okay, and from your side you have to only maintain the system document. Okay, system document you have to means just check your document, system document, you have to read whole document. Okay, from your side, and just after reading the document you have to check like what is the field they have mentioned, like this particular field you have to update. Okay, whether we have to update this particular, we can update this particular field. Okay, whatever they are saying in this document or not. It is not necessary that we have to update these fields. Okay, because in my CR I didn't updated it. Okay, even this in main customization I done it, but I didn't updated it in my like system documents. because it was not required. Okay,
Okay.
so you have to make decision yourself. Okay, now you have to also check sys id and urs ids. Okay, what is sys id and urs id? Suppose you check the document, system document. Okay, in that system document there are many sections. Okay, so where your like particular requirement is there, in which section your requirement lies. Understood now? So you have to check it in sys ids. Suppose go up. Okay, here you will get the sys ids. Okay, urs description, sys description, you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here I put 03060268 S01. Okay, so I have to search it. Okay, what is the requirement? What is my requirement? My requirement is flexible material master update. Okay, flexible material master update. So 0601. What is this here? Where was it? Material flexible material master update. Okay, 060268. Okay, so flexible material master update. First, you have to go there in your this SAP screen. Okay, in SAP screen, you have to check where this particular commit is there. Okay, means flexible material master update is lies in which place. Here it is MRP monitor. Okay, it is related to MRP monitor. Okay, so I went to my SAP screen. Okay, I checked this particular report is affecting the MRP monitor. Okay, so I just choose this particular URS and this SysID. Okay, I went to this particular transaction. Okay, in this particular transaction, it was affecting if I will do the changes now in this particular transaction, and if I will add, it will directly affect the MRP monitor screen. Okay, in Material Master.
Okay.
Okay, so if it will affect the MRP monitor screen, I will keep my system document, means this particular, okay, sysID and URS ID as this. Okay, then I will once check from my side also. Okay, this particular section, sysID and other things, I will check from my side, whatever it is here. Section 3.1. Okay, so section 3.1, 3.1. See MRP monitor. Okay, so I will check from my side. I will read whole this paragraph, this particular section, and then I will check like if it is required, means this purpose sysID is right or not. Okay,
Mhm.
am I clear now?
Mm.
Yeah. So in this way, you have to decide the sysID and URS ID. Then what is the use of URS ID? URS ID is also very important. Okay. So here you can see I put this GXP impacting tick. Okay. So I have to means URS ID is required for just GXP impacting. Okay. So I will go to my URS document. Is here no? URS document is there. I will go to my URS document. I go to that particular sys ID which I choose or URS ID here. You can see no, not here, not here, not here, not here. Sorry, I choose wrong URS ID. This particular URS ID. This is the URS ID. Okay. Go to this particular URS ID. Okay. Here in URS ID, go to that particular URS 68. Okay. This particular URS 68, 68, 68, 68. This is the particular URS 68. Okay. Here you can see this is Y. Okay. GXP relevant. Okay. Business criticality low, medium, but GXP relevant is yes. Okay. Can see why?
Well,
Yeah. So if it is Y, then go to this CR and put it as a checkbox. Means this check it. Okay. This GXP this impacting. Okay. What is the use of this GXP impacting? Okay. When you check it, your quality approval is required. It is mandatory. Okay. In my approval definition, you have to maintain this quality assurance. Okay. Then quality team will also check your CR. If it is no, then you have no need to enter this particular approval group, quality assurance. Okay, only above two are required. Above the service owner and validation lead, this approval is required. Third approval is not required. Okay. Okay. So this is thing. What I told you then planning. Got it now? How I choose that system document and
yeah.
other things. Okay, rest you can copy paste. Rest is not that much important. Okay, deviation, no deviation from initial impact assessment to final impact assessment. If you are doing like in normal CR, we used to get it like in normal CR, like after creating CR, we have to require initial approval from the this validation team. Okay, after the initial approval, even if you are doing some changes in solution part or requirement partner, then you have to mention it here like this. Deviation is there in initial impact assessment to final impact assessment. Okay, but it is standard CR, so no deviation is there. Okay, just copy paste it. Rest is fine. This thing is testing part. Okay, testing part. Who will take care of this testing part? Parent testing. Someone is there. Balaji is there. Balaji will tell you how to HPLM testing. Okay. The SAT testing and UAT testing are there. It is some different topic is this. Okay. So source code review, whenever ABAP team is doing any changes, source code review is there. Okay. They will maintain it. So rest you can copy paste. Okay. Nothing important, rest. And then here schedule is required, like requested by date when user requested for this particular means deployment of changes. Okay, when you started the changes, when you are planning to change means and this changes means deployment of these changes. Okay, and all these things. It put it like this. Notes is nothing. Closure information when you are closing it. Okay, this particular requirement you require this business requirement and solution part. You don't require it now. Whenever you are closing the CR now, means after your changes are deployed, then this closure information is required. Okay, just you can tell me now. I will explain you at that time only. Main thing is approval definition. Approval definition is if is GXP relevant. Okay, here you can see first business process owner who requested for the whoever requested for this particular changes, Sandra. Okay, then service owner. Service owner is over one service owner is there, Dominica. If you put this service owner, Dominica has to approve it. Okay, this is also mandatory. Then quality assurance. If it is GXP relevant, then we have to put quality assurance. Otherwise, no need to put it. Okay. Validation lead, validation team is there, which will check your document and this testing part. Okay. With HPLM testing and document, whatever document you have updated now, validation team will check it. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see authorization gate, false, true, false, true. You can see?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here in the authorization gate, okay, it's normally everything is like false, true. But in normal CR, this particular part where it is written a false, it will become true. There will be two authorization gate. Okay. what is the meaning of this authorization gates means? Initially, first we have to create a CR, then we have to float fit the approval from the validation team. They will approve it. After you will do the changes, okay. After you have done the changes, everything is completed. Then again you will float it. Then again validation team will check it.
Yeah.
Means validation team will check it 2 times. So that's why normal CR is little bit like headache.
Yeah.
बहुत बहुत easy है. It's very easy. Okay. I love this CR. Okay. uh, yeah. 80% time you will get standard CR. Okay. 20% time you will get a normal CR. But that particular normal CR will consume you most of the time. Means it will it will have 90 days time, but except you have many except means rejection would be there, like no, because many teams are involved now in this case, so they will reject in every each and every step initially. Okay, now change task is like I created this CR, okay, and I am doing the changes only. I am the only person who is doing the changes. Then I will keep myself as the first task person, okay, Nilesh Kumar, okay. Schedule, you will go here first in change task, go here order number is 100, always keep it as 100. Service as your team service ID, okay. Assigned to assignment group is your group ID, assigned to your name, short description you can just copy paste all these things, okay. And you can just save it, okay. Phase should be scheduled, okay. Phase should be scheduled for always, like if any team is working also, phase should be scheduled. Now go back. You understood now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now there will be second task also, okay. After your changes are done, okay, and your CR is approved, means yeah, it is approved, okay. Then this particular task will get open automatically. You have to maintain it, and after the CR is approved now, this task will become in open like status. Then what this will be assigned to integration team. What integration team will do? Integration team will move the changes. Okay, this particular guy was there in my case. He will move the changes from C30 test system to production system, and then he will close it. This particular task. Okay. So in this way, your changes will be implemented. Understood, now?
Yeah.
So CR is like this only. Okay. Normal CR also I explained it is similar to this standard CR only, but only this authorization gate na. Authorization gate you have to like after creating this particular approvals groups. Okay, you have to keep as a true. Okay, and just float it. It will float to the validation lead. Okay, validation team, and then they will. Sorry, not validation team. Call it validation team. Sorry, validation team. It will go to the validation team. They will approve it. Then again you have to do changes. Then again you have to float it. Okay, and after floating it, then it will again go to the validation team and service owners and other this require this persons. Okay, then your CR will be approved. So similar thing is there in normal CR also. Okay, few format changes are there. You will like whenever you will create the CR now, because right now if I will explain you those things, then you will get confused. Yeah, because it is very like you can't digest this thing also. You know. Both both are 90 days. Depends. Like if you're creating a factory calendar, then it requires 20 days, I think. Mm, mm, Let me check. CR catalog. You understand it, no, bro?
Yeah.
I know, bro. Work timings means Shift timing is bro 11:30 to 8:30. If you are studying at 11:30, then it's like till 8:30. And if you're studying at 12:30, then it's normally at 9:30. Okay, 9 hours, no, 9:30 only. Uh, but right now this two, but it depends upon this timing also. Like time saving zone is there, no? So after in November only, they will change the timing. They will like 12:30 and 1:30. Okay, if you start working at the 1:30, you have to work till 10:30. Okay, it's like a timing, bro. But some issue will come, then you have to work till whole night. Okay, some people will come, then you can't say like time. My time is over, so I will go. You can't say. uh, for if work is not there, then relax, share with space members. Okay. I shared you this link also. Okay. These are CR. Okay. So standard CR, normal CR. I pinged you. Okay. One thing you have to remember, bro. One thing I forgot to tell you. No, bro. No. No. But in simple case, na, if standard CR you will get na, open any CR. Okay, just open any already like implemented CR, mine also, okay, and just you can copy paste the details, okay, just do modification like your changes, okay, as per your changes, and then you can just consult to us initially, like I have done this type of changes, is it okay or not? Then we'll tell you, and then just start your changes. Okay. So standard CR is very easy because here, whenever you will start and this put this template now, these formats will come. Okay, description and all these things. So you can easily made it. This change board reference and all these things will automatically show you. Okay, you have to just enter these fields. Okay, but normal CR will be totally blank. Okay, whenever you will open a normal CR, I will show you. Okay, normal CR, 4.5, 4.5 room. I'm like less experienced than you, I know. Okay. Yes, yes, yeah. Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 5 years in Balaji was in different company earlier. He's very senior. Yeah, Balaji. Mm, his experience is 10 years, more than 10 years. Yeah, Balaji. CR catalog. Yeah, no catalog, not CR creation. CR creation. You will also get to use to it, bro, when you will. Mm. So in your projects, like this type of things were not there. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. They mean users used to have to close the ticket, right? There in this case, we have to close the ticket. Yeah, suppose this one. Suppose create a new. Okay, go to change. Okay, create a new. Here you will get this option. Okay, standard, normal. Okay, if we will go to standard, it will give all those format. Okay, but if I will go to normal change, everything is blank. You can see everything is blank. So you have to just take any normal CR which is already like latest implemented normal CR, and first you have to copy paste all these things. Okay, then you have to do modification from your side. Matlab, I am telling a simple work. Okay, simple way. Otherwise, putting everything like checking each and everything is like very difficult. Just copy paste description, all these things, and then do modification like whatever you want. Okay. and then just consult with any like person like me, Balaji, Radhika, anyone. Radhika has not never created any normal CR because she is also new. But Balaji, me, Nitya, 1.5 to 2 years almost. 1.5 years almost. 2 years. Yeah. But you are especially hired for upgrade projects, okay? So upgrade things means maybe required much more like things like much more knowledge about these things. Hope so. You will not encounter these things. Okay, just pray. But at least if you'll get it now, and just know about it because if you'll get it, then you should not like depend on other people. So just know this. You can simply check any normal CR. Okay, just go to the normal CR, copy paste all the details, then change the details as per like your requirement. Okay, few things like this Jira thing, Jira incident. Okay, this particular parent ID, all these things change as per your requirement, and then before floating it, let us know. Means me or Balaji, we will once check it. Okay, and then after that you can float it. Okay. Okay. Nothing else, bro. From my side, I think everything is completed. If any question, then tell me. Yeah, I will open it. Hmm. Normal CR, normal CR. Closed. What's the time here? Hmm. Normal CR, normal CR, normal closed. See, this normal CR is there. Okay, this one. It was related to some GBT upgrade. Okay, so actually, GBT team was working on it, but multiple systems were like connected to it. Okay, so it was totally a great issue, this requirement. Okay, so I was only supporting it. So here you can see requested by Randeep Singh from GBT team, transport migration service. Okay, type is normal. Okay, then assignment group, my assignment, this assignment group assigned to me. Okay, same thing I told you now. Hmm. Then business requirement and solution part. Okay, it is the solution part. Then similar type. This is justification of what I have done. I just copy pasted everything and paste it in my normal CR. Okay. Here also transport. Transport is this. Okay. Everything is same. Okay. See, deviation to the initial assessment. This thing we have to change it because there was some authorization groups were like additionally like after we floated the CR and authorization team sorry validation team approved it. Okay, but still some additional authorization objects were required. Okay, it was added after we analyzes in after this approval of the CR, we used to do some analysis also from our side. Okay, so some error message was coming, so we added few authorization object, but we have to mention those authorization object or those changes here in division part. Okay, okay. Then testing, everything is same. Okay, changes, changes. ABAP team, authorization team was required. Authorization team is there. Okay, Then this ABAP team was involved. Okay, and then our team, integration team, all the tasks were there. But you can see we have only kept this implement for the integration team. Okay, because after the implementation only now it will open for them. Okay, and then schedule, everything is scheduled. Order is 100 for everyone. Okay, what's it? Yeah, order is 100. Okay, just short description you have to share from your side. Okay, you have to just copy paste all these things. And one important thing you have to see, I told you now, this thing, approval definition here, it is true.
Oh, yeah.
True means whenever you will schedule it now, it will go to this phase. Okay, authorized phase. In standard
Mm.
CR, after the new phase, okay, when you schedule it, it will directly go to schedule phase. Okay, but in normal CR, when you schedule it, it will go to authorized phase. Okay, in,
Okay.
in authorized phase, they will first validation team first will first check it in normal CR, and then they will approve it. Okay, then new version will be created in system. New version is there. This is the version. You can see after they approved it, this new version was created. This one. Okay, this new version was created, and after that we started our work in this new version. You can see in derivation part nothing is there. Okay, you can understand now what I'm saying. But after they will approve it and after we will do the changes, we have to maintain it in derivation part, whatever like means derivation we have done. So this is the normal CR, bro. Anything else, bro?
No.
Any doubt is there, then let me know, bro. These are the approved. Like, see, here in this case, validation, this Christian, this validation team guy, first approved it. Okay. After that, we done the changes and we floated it. And after that, these teams, these guys, quality team, validation team, business process owner, service owner, they approved it. And after that, it was implemented. Mm, rest we can help you whenever you will create a CR now. Somebody will be there to help you, both of you. Rest, if you have any doubt, let me know. Or in middle also, if you will ask me anything, I will help you in this case. The rest,
Sure. Okay.
okay, bro. From my side, then Katie is over. Okay. Now Radhika is left. Radhika gave you this Katie, no? SR processor for GR.
No.
Ira.
No. No.
Okay, I will tell you. Tell her. Okay. And Balaji also. They will. Mhm. Mhm. And Balaji, all these things. And Nitya is active, but right now she's very busy. She's very busy lady. Thanks for the one checking our testers where they are with now. Okay. Okay, bro. My call is there. Okay. Thanks, bro. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, bro.
No, no issue, bro.